First off, give me your name and spell your name for me.
Roman, Roman.
Great, Roman. And
And wait a minute.
Let's move here if you don't mind.
And
Oh,
this
sure.
is, I want her to also, please.
okay, absolutely perfect. And what is your name?
Oksana Toporina.
Oksana. Great. So, what are you doing? What are you doing today here?
We just try to get together for one reason and one reason only. Whatever little we can contribute to Ukrainian victory. But it's not a Ukrainian victory. This is a whole world victory. This is people are dying today for the whole world to be free. We are a very peaceful country. We're a very peaceful nation. We have multinational country. We have Russians. We have Ukrainians. We have Muslim. We have Jewish. We have Catholics. We have Orthodox. And we lived in peace. Whoever calling us Nazis, it's them are Nazis. Somebody needs to give him a mirror to look at himself. And I'm only asking one thing. Talk is cheap. Let's move to the actions. The government of United States, thank you very much. European Union, thank you very much. The whole world, thank you very much. But we need to do a lot more. Stop buying oil. Stop buying gas. It will hurt him much more than sanctions on a bank. And when you do sanctions on a bank, all the banks of Russian Federation should be sanctioned. Because I am 63. I know the way Russians think and work. If you put sanctions on one bank, they will launder money to another bank. We need to sanction all the banks in Russian Federation. And only one question I have for him. His mother was in blockade of Leningrad when the Nazis tried to occupy Soviet Union. Why? He forgetting a history of Soviet people, including his mother. He wants to do the same starvation Ukrainian cities. I don't think it's Russian soldiers or generals want to do that. We used to be what I was thinking, brothers. I am under big debate in my heart. Are we really? I'm asking Russian soldiers, put down the guns and go home, please. I'm sure your mothers, your wives, your girlfriends, your children would be a lot more happier to see you back home. Thank you.
Beautiful. What do you have to say to the Frisco community?
We would like people to speak up. Speak up, call your elected officials and tell them to do more. We're also here to share Ukrainian culture. We've been around here in US for a while, showing everybody with our beautiful Ukrainian song and Ukrainian dance how beautiful Ukrainian culture is and Ukrainian people are.
I just want to speak from the business. Not for my business, for the whole world business. Today you might lose, but tomorrow you're gonna win a lot more. Please stop selling oil and gas. Thank you.